Looking for a last minute Rakhi design? You are in the right place. Let's make this beautiful, quick, and easy crochet Rakhi together in just 5 minutes. All you need is some weight 3 cotton yarn in 2 colors. With that, I am taking 2.5 millimeter crochet hook, a small amount of glue. This is just to paste this golden pearl here. Some pearls and beads like this, and a small hook like this. This is just to insert these pearls and beads here. If you don't have a small hook like this, don't worry. I'll show you one more method to insert these pearls and bead inside the thick yarn. A tapestry needle, and don't forget to keep a scissor handy. We will start by making a magic ring. To make a magic ring, hold your yarn like this. Then wrap this yarn around your 2 fingers like this and hold it with this finger. Now you can see a nice X shape formed here. So insert your hook under this yarn and slowly pull the other yarn to this side and hold it like this. And now take this working yarn slowly out of this loop. So this creates a magic circle. After making magic circle, we will make 16 single crochets inside this magic circle. So insert your hook inside the magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. So this completes the first single crochet. Again insert your hook, yarn over and make your second single crochet. So I just made 2 single crochets. Similarly, make 14 more, totally 16, including these 2, and then I'll show you what to do. After making 16 single crochets, pull the tail of the magic ring. And then on top of this very first single crochet, we have a chain gap here. So insert your hook there, yarn over and make a slip stitch. After making the slip stitch, we will make 10 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After making 10 chains, so you can see this is where we made slip stitch. Insert your hook in the same chain gap, yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this completes 1 petal, and now we will again make 10 chains. After making 10 chains, into the next chain here, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this completes the second petal. Again make 10 chains. After making 10 chains, you can see into the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Again make 10 chains. And now into the next chain, make a slip stitch. We will repeat the same. After making slip stitch, make 10 chains and then slip stitch in the next chain gap. Again make 10 chain, slip stitch. 10 chain, slip stitch around. So repeat the same around, and then I'll show you how to complete this Rakhi. So you can see I repeated the same around. I just need to make my last 10 chain and slip stitch. So I'm just left with one more chain here. So make 10 chains. And then into the last chain here, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. After that, make 1 chain, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook and now trim the tail of the magic ring. And now we will weave this tail. Take a tapestry needle, insert your yarn. Just pass your yarn through adjacent loops. We will make a knot. After making a knot, trim the excess yarn. And this completes the Rakhi. Now we will make the tie and this tassel. So for the tie, take 2 strands of white yarn. This length is completely up to you. You can keep it lengthier or short. We will first insert this pearls and beads. Arrange them however you want and then insert one by one. After inserting the beads and pearls, make a knot this side so that the pearls and beads stays in place. After that, make one more knot this side. After inserting the pearls and beads, we will now insert the Rakhi. Take a tapestry needle, insert this yarn here, both strands. So insert in one loop and in exact opposite loop. And just pull. So after that, we will make a knot here. After making knot, now we will add this pearls and beads. In case you don't have a small hook like this, in that case, take a small thread like this and then take this loop and insert it here. So you can see like this. And then take both the strands and now insert the pearls and beads. So this way you can easily insert the small pearls and beads in the thicker yarn. And now make one more knot here. And now we will make the tassel. To make the tassel, take 5 strands of yarn like this and one lengthy yarn for each side. And now take this end and insert 5 strands inside this. And now take this lengthy yarn, keep it on top and just make 1 or 2 permanent knots. After making knots, cut the yarn straight. So this completes one tassel. Since we don't have a loop here, just make knot here. And now here insert this 5 strands, tie 1 or 2 permanent knots. And now we will add this pearl here. So this completes the Rakhi. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.